Hi friends, good morning one and all. Welcome to our channel Chem World Sukesh Chemistry class. In our last class, we already discussed regarding the SN1 mechanism. I hope that particular video reached to maximum of the students. With that confidence only, I want to discuss one more important topic in the nucleophilic substitution reaction, that is called SN2 mechanism. Okay, in this particular SN2 mechanism, I want to discuss different types of an objective questions also with a different types of an examples I will discuss right now. Before to discuss, first what is the meaning of an SN2 mechanism? Once you observe carefully, SN2 mechanism where the 2 is there, 2 is represents a bimolecular. Where 2 is there, it is represents an what? Bimolecular. Here N is there, N represents a nucleophilic. Where S is there, S represents an a what? Substitution. Where S represents an a what? Substitution reaction. What is the full form of the SN2 mechanism is that a bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction it is said to be. How the SN2 mechanism is there, it will be takes place. To understand SN2 mechanism very properly, I take with a one simple example, that is nothing but for suppose if I taking a starting compound, that is nothing but a methyl chloride, that means CH3Cl. Let us suppose I taken as a starting material. On the CH3Cl, OH minus group is there, it will be attacking takes place. We know that in any chemical reaction, here what is the starting reactant is there, that in an organic reaction it is said to be an what? Substrate. Where on the substrate which particular group attacking takes place, that group is said to be a reagent. In that particular reagent, the OH group is there, attains a high electron density is there, therefore it is simply said to be a what? Nucleophile. Friends, observe carefully here once. What I initially taken, substrate I taken. On the substrate, what is attacking takes place? Nucleophile is there, it is attacking takes place. Automatically friends, once observe, OH minus attacking takes place on the CH3Cl substrate. What will happen? The replacement is takes place. Due to the replacement, what's the product will be obtained? In the place of a chlorine atom, OH group will be replacement takes place, single bond CH3 plus chlorine atom will be moved outside, then it will be moved outside in the form of an what? Cl minus. We know that in a substrate, which particular group is there, it will be moved outside, that particular group is there, it is simply said to be an what friends? It is said to be a leaving group. What it is said to be? Leaving group it is said to be. And this is there, it is simply said to be a what? Product. That means substrate attacking takes place on the nucleophile, automatically it produces a product, and as well as a what? Leaving group will be takes place. Generally, the reactant molecule CH3Cl is there, if attacking of this particular nucleophile to given a product is done in a single step. Due to that reason, SN2 mechanism is there, which is said to be a what? Concerted. It is said to be a what? Concerted mechanism. What is the meaning of a concerted mechanism is that single step mechanism is there, it is simply said to be a what? Concerted mechanism it is said to be. Therefore, automatically what will happen? Once you observe how this particular reaction will be takes place, it is explained by using of a mechanism where I taken the substrate, first carbon atom is there. On the carbon, tell me how many number of hydrogens are present there? 3 hydrogens are present there. Therefore, this is said to be a first hydrogen, this is said to be a second hydrogen, and this is said to be a third hydrogen, where the chlorine atom, where the carbon atom is also connecting with an what? Chlorine atom. This is said to be a substrate, what we are taken initially. On that particular compound, which group will be attacking takes place? OH minus, that means nucleophile is attacking takes place. Tell me friends one simple thing. Here OH group is there, attains a negative charge is there. Already chlorine atom is there, it is having an what? lone pair of electrons are present there. Due to that reason, this negative charge and this particular negative charge attains a repulsion takes place. Due to that particular repulsion, OH minus, there is no possibility to attack takes place from the front side. It is only attacking takes place from which side? Back side attack only takes place. This point you observe carefully. Where OH group is there, it will be attacking takes place towards a back side of the carbon. This carbon already having how many number of hydrogens are there? 3 hydrogen. First hydrogen, second hydrogen, and as well as what? Third hydrogen atom. This chlorine atom slowly bond breaking takes place. Therefore, it is represents one chlorine atom. If you observe how the reactant molecule converted into a product explained by the intermediate state, which is said to be a transition state. What it is said to be? It is said to be in a transition state. Friends, once observe here, this is a represents a dashed line. This is also represents a dashed line, and this dashed line is represents a bond formation with a carbon atom, and this dashed line is there. It is represents a what? Bond breaking takes place. Slowly the OH group attacking takes place on the carbon. Slowly the chlorine atom, slowly bond breaking will be takes place. After some time, what will happen? Chlorine is move outside in the form of a Cl minus. Automatically OH group is there, which is attacking takes place on the CH3. Is it right or wrong? Friends, here observe one very important thing is that if you take in the substrate, for suppose if you take in the substrate, the chlorine atom is there, it is presented on a right hand side. But the newly replacing group is there, it is presented on a what? Left hand side. That means reactant molecule converted into a product takes place in the reverse configuration. Therefore, SN2 mechanism is there, which is said to be in a what? Inversion. Which particular configuration will be obtained? Inversion configuration will be obtained in terms of an SN2 mechanism, friends. Once the very important thing you observe carefully here, that is SN1 mechanism is there. Two types attacks are possible. What are the two types of attacks? Front side attack is possible and a back side attack is also possible. But if you take in the SN2 mechanism, only back side attack takes place. Due to the back side attack, the product always gives which type of a product will be obtained. Inversion of the product is obtained. That means reverse configuration. For suppose if you take the, what is the initial substrate we are taken, if the initial substance, if you take as a R configuration, for suppose if you take the initial substrate as a R configuration, automatically the product after the SN2 mechanism, it will give us a reverse configuration, that is said to be an what? S configuration, it will be obtained. That point you observe carefully. In the similar manner, for suppose if you take another case 2. What is the case 2? For suppose if you take the initial, this particular substrate is there, if you take in terms of an S configuration is there, the product is obtained in terms of which type of configuration will be obtained? R configuration will be obtained. This is a very important point. What is the initial substrate we are taken? The product always gives a what? Reverse configuration will be obtained. How the reverse configuration will be obtained? That particular some of the examples I want to discuss right now to understand very briefly. For suppose friends, you observe carefully. If I take in example 1. What is the example 1? For suppose if I take in one particular cyclohexane ring, for suppose if I take in on the cyclohexane ring, for suppose chlorine atom is present there as a leaving group. On this carbon already having one particular hydrogen atom is also present there. On this particular position, one methyl group is there, and in the same manner on this particular position, if there is a cyanide group is present there. For suppose on this particular compound, for suppose if the nucleophile OH minus is attacking takes place, automatically it is undergo which type of mechanism? Let us suppose if it is involving in terms of a SN2 mechanism. Tell me, newly upcoming nucleophile is OH minus. Therefore, the OH minus must be added at the reverse configuration. Is it right or wrong? Then what will be the product is obtained once you observe? Here I initially taken a one particular, for suppose cyclohexane group, and here OH group is there, here hydrogen atom is there, where CH3 group is present at the top, where CN group is present at the down. Once you observe, here I change the configuration. How? In the place of a chlorine atom, I replace with a OH group. But what is the opposite configuration is there? On the opposite carbon, for suppose this is the first carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth carbon if you observe. On the fourth carbon, initially cyanide atom is there, it is present at the top. But at a product, the cyanide group is there, it is present at a down. That means what we understand, during the SN2 mechanism, automatically which type of a configuration is obtained? Is reverse configuration is obtained. For suppose, if you take in one more example, that is nothing but an example 2. For suppose if I taking off one chiral carbon, a carbon which having 4 different groups are there, it is said to be a what? Chiral carbon. For suppose at the bottom, if it is contains a methyl group, on the top if it is contains for suppose propyl group is there. For suppose on the left hand side, if it is contains a cyclohexyl group is there, where it is contains an iodine atom. On this one, for suppose Cn minus group is attacking takes place, it is involving in terms of which mechanism? SN2 mechanism, for suppose if it is takes place. Same, what will happen? Reverse configuration is obtained. Initially we know that which type of a configuration? It is said to be a R configuration. R configuration is there, automatically it will be converted to a reverse configuration is obtained. Therefore, Cn, C, where top and bottom there is no any change, C3H7, down one CH3 group is there, and backside it will be an what? Cyclohexyl group, that is nothing but an what? C6H13 group will be replacement takes place. And with a one more different example, that is a Fischer projection if I taken, that is a example number 3. In the Fischer projection, for suppose 2 asymmetric carbon atoms if we are taken, here if we are taken of a bromine atom, here there is one hydroxyl group is there. For suppose if it is contains a methyl group, here also if it is contains a methyl group if it is present there, and top if there is a hydrogen atom, bottom if there is a hydrogen atom is there. If this compound passes through a sodium iodide, and if it is involving in terms of which mechanism? SN2 mechanism. Friends, automatically what will happen? Reverse configuration will be obtained. Here observe bromine atom will be acting as a living group in the place of a bromine atom. For suppose what is the group will be replacement takes place here? Iodine is there, it will be replacement takes place. Or if you take any another group also, automatically what will happen? Replacement is takes place. Tell me automatically what will be the configuration will be obtained? Reverse configuration will be obtained. Top and as well as in a bottom substituents no any change. But iodine, opposite side CH3 group, and here OH group, and as well as a what? CH3 group will be there. That means you observe what will happen here. There is a reverse configuration is there, it will be obtained. And one more with another example, that is an example number 4. For suppose if I taking of a chair form, for suppose if I taking of a cyclohexane chair form if I taken, on the chair form, for suppose if it is contains a hydrogen atom, if it is contains a chlorine atom, passes through a cyanide, if it is undergo SN2 mechanism, friends, automatically what will happen? We know that for the cyclohexane chair form, 2 types of bonds are present there. One is said to be an axial bond, second one is there, it is said to be an equatorial bond. Here chlorine atom is present in terms of an axial position. Therefore, the newly upcoming nucleophile Cn minus will be attacking takes place, replace in the place of a chlorine atom, but the cyanide group is there, it is present in terms of an what? It is present in terms of a which position? It is present in terms of an equatorial position cyanide, and in the bottom there is a hydrogen atom is present there. That means I want to give only one basic information, that is, if the compound is involving in terms of a SN2 mechanism, which type of a configuration will be obtained? Reverse configuration is obtained. Why? Because SN2 mechanism is involving in terms of a inversion of a product due to that particular reason. After that, just you observe. For suppose, how we are identifying the reaction is involving in terms of an SN2 mechanism or not. Generally, if a compound to involving in the SN2 mechanism is there, it must be having one particular condition is present there. What is the condition? SN2 mechanism takes place in the presence of polar aprotic solvent. This is one of the important conditions. If the compound belongs to a polar aprotic solvent. What is aprotic? Aprotic means proton donating tendency is not there. Those particular groups are said to be aprotic solvents. What are the example for polar aprotic solvent? If you taking of an acetone group, or if you taking of a DMF, or if you taking of a DMSO, all these are acting as a polar aprotic solvents. Acetone, we know that it does not liberate protons. DMF, what is the full form of the DMF? Dimethyl formamide. We know that the full form of DMSO, that is dimethyl sulfoxide. That means these particular solvents, in the presence of these particular solvents, the reaction involving in terms of which mechanism? SN2 mechanism will be takes place. This is a condition number 1. And if you observe one more very important thing is that reactivity. For suppose reactivity of SN2 mechanism, if you observe carefully, it is inversely proportional to steric hindrance. Steric hindrance. Inversely proportional to steric hindrance on the carbon atom. But SN1 mechanism, we know that reactivity of SN1 mechanism is that it is directly proportional to stability of carbocation. But SN2 mechanism is a reactivity of SN2 mechanism. It is inversely proportional to what? Steric hindrance on the carbon atom. The very important thing is that even though, for suppose the reaction SN1 mechanism or SN2 mechanism, whatever it may be, when comparing with among all the different types of a substrate, benzylic group, this point you observe carefully. Which particular group? Benzyl group is there. Always it is involving SN2 mechanism or SN1 mechanism very faster. SN2 mechanism and SN1 mechanism, both for the benzyl compound more faster. After it will becomes of an what? Allyl group. Later it will becomes of a simple halide. That means like a CH3X. Or if you taking of a primary alkyl halide, later it will becomes of a secondary alkyl halide, and last one it will becomes of a what? Tertiary alkyl halide. This is an important thing. Why benzyl and allyl involving in terms of a SN2 mechanism is that due to involve in terms of a what? Resonance. Due to involving in terms of a resonance, for SN2 mechanism, for the benzyl compound and allyl compound undergo more fast. One more important thing is that steric hindrance on the carbon atom is there. What will happen? Inversely proportional to SN2 mechanism. Due to that reason, you observe for this carbon connecting with the simple groups. What is the simple groups is present there? On the carbon, 3 simple hydrogens are there. Later it will becomes of a what? Primary alkyl halide, and later it will becomes of a what? Secondary alkyl halide, and later it will becomes of a what? Tertiary alkyl halide. The reaction is there, it will be undergo more. That means we know that tertiary alkyl halide undergo SN2 mechanism with a very low impact. It is to explain this particular reactivity order, I taken one simple example. What? For suppose if you take this example, if I taking of one benzene ring I taken. For the benzene ring, if I treatment with CH2I, which is said to be or for suppose if you taking of benzyl chloride, CH2Cl I taken, at an aromatic ring, for suppose if I taking of an iodine, on this compound, for suppose sodium cyanide is attacking takes place in the presence of a solvent of what? DMF. DMF is a condition which is said to be a polar aprotic solvent, undergo SN2 mechanism very faster. Due to that reason, automatically what will happen? We feel that, we know that reactivity of leaving group. What is a leaving group order? We know that the leaving group order is I minus, later Br minus, later Cl minus, and later it will becomes of an F minus. This is actually order. But here observe, chlorine is there, iodine is there. We are expected that iodine is a more reactive, but iodine is attacking to the, iodine is connected to the benzene ring, where chlorine atom is there which is connected to the carbon ring. Due to that, this is called benzyl group. This is said to be an aromatic halide. It is called aryl halide. But we know that for SN2 mechanism, benzyl compound, it is undergo more faster. Due to that reason, in the place of a chlorine atom only, the cyanide group will be replacement takes place. Therefore, what will be the product is obtained? CH2, Cn will be obtained. Where the iodine is there, it does not undergo replacement, not takes place. One of the important thing it is, benzyl group undergo more faster in the SN2 mechanism due to involving in terms of resonance. After the benzyl group, next one is allyl. After the allyl, methyl halide. Later it will become of a primary alkyl halide. Later it will become secondary alkyl halide. And last one it will become of a what? Tertiary alkyl halide. In addition with that, some more important conditions is also present there to explain the reactivity of SN2 mechanism. Some more important conditions is also present there. What is the important conditions? Note all these are considered as some of the important note points I presented here. Once you observe carefully. Generally, for suppose if heteroatom is present. Heteroatom. What is a generally heteroatom? Either if you taking off an oxygen, nitrogen or sulfur, all these are considered as an what? Heteroatom. For suppose if the heteroatom is present on which position? On the alpha carbon. On the alpha carbon, if there is a heteroatom is present there. If I take one simple example here, that is CH3O. Oxygen is an example for which type of atom? Heteroatom. For suppose CH2Br. If this particular compound is there, treated with a potassium KSH, thioalcohol, not OH, KSH, potassium thioalcohol. We know that what will happen due to presence of a heteroatom is present there on which position? Alpha carbon. This particular compounds is there involving in terms of a SN2 mechanism with a higher reactivity. This point you observe carefully. If the compound having a heteroatom is present there, automatically it is undergo SN2 mechanism very faster. Due to that particular reason, what will happen in the place of bromine atom? One potassium, one bromine move outside in the form of a KBr. KBr will be move outside. What will be obtained? CH3 or CH2 SH will be obtained. After that, one more important note point. What is another note point? For suppose electron withdrawing groups. For suppose if you taking off an electron withdrawing groups are present there on the substrate, then automatically it is undergoing a SN2 mechanism very faster. If you take the one of the example here, that is CH3, C double bond O, CH2, Cl. You take here, chlorine atom is said to be a leaving group. On the leaving group, which it is connected to alpha carbon. On the alpha carbon, what is the group is there? Carbonyl group is there. C double bond O group is there. This particular electron withdrawing group, if it is present there, automatically it is undergo SN2 mechanism very faster. This is an important thing. Either electron withdrawing group or if it is presence of an what? Heteroatom, undergo SN2 mechanism very faster. If this compound is there, treatment with an OH minus, automatically what will be obtained? CH3, C double bond O, CH2, single bond, OH group will be replaced by lossing of an what? Cl minus. One more very important thing is that point number 3. For suppose negatively charged nucleophile is there, which is said to be a more effective when comparing with a neutral one. For suppose if I taking off an OH minus I taken and neutral molecule H2O molecule if I taken, we know that this is negatively charged nucleophile and this is which type of nucleophile? It is said to be a neutral nucleophile and this is said to be a what? Negatively charged nucleophile. We know that negatively charged nucleophile is there. It is said to be a what? More reactive in a SN2 mechanism when comparing with a what? Neutral nucleophile. Okay. Once you observe carefully this particular topic regarding a SN2 mechanism, I hope you will easily attempt all the bits regarding this particular SN2 mechanism, friends. uh, uh, in addition with that, you must be observe the previous questions also regarding the SN2 mechanism and SN1 mechanism. You will surely succeed regarding this particular topic. Thank you very much. After, I will meet with another one more important and interesting video. Thank you very much.